Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Today I've got an update video on the 1997 Ford F-150 work truck. Room machine. Long bed. And when I say work truck, I mean base. It's not even an XL. It's a nothing. It's got cold air. It's got automatic, and it's got the 6-cylinder, and that's it. Plastic and vinyl everywhere. The bed I've got full of bricks. What all we got back here? Old cabinet doors. Yeah, those pavers. Got a Trek bicycle. Shutters. Anyway, we're gonna go for a drive. Oh, everybody will be so excited to see this one. Right. Man, this thing runs good. Gotta pop the hood. 117,000 miles. That's pretty low miles for a 97. This has Ford's 4.2 6-cylinder V6. Man, what a smooth running engine. Dead reliable. Cranks every time. Doesn't leak anything. Doesn't smoke. And believe it or not, it's got pretty damn good power. I have no idea how much horsepower or torque it's got. The air conditioning is running. But what a gem of a motor. Let's go see if it'll do a 0 to 60. Got a little bit of heat shield rattle or something going on down there. I can safely say that it has been doing that for years. This is a former company truck of my stepdad and mom's company that they sold. Oh, I guess it's been gone about a year or so. And they retired permanently. And so they brought this little baby home. And man, when I say this thing purrs like a kitten, I mean, it is smooth. The transmission is amazingly smooth. 4-speed automatic. I mean, it'll flat get up and go too. It's got plenty of power. No, the air conditioner wasn't on. I thought it was. It is going to be now. Got a standard little Ford cassette player. And that's about it, folks. Pretty base. But we'll do a little 0 to 60 run in just a moment. Did I say this was a good truck? Man, it's got cold air and it's got cup holders. I found the cup holders. All right, here's our little 0 to 60 runway. Gotta get a clear shot coming down the road. All right, to the floor. Oh boy, oh boy. She's a little weak in the knees. But that's okay. She's smooth as can be and runs like a champ. I do have a bed full of, I've probably got an extra 1,000 pounds worth of shit in the bed. Plus I got about 300 pounds of records. Yes, those are albums. All right, let's do it again. Let's see what we got. Oh, that 1-2 shift is a little rough. Yeah, she don't have a lot of power. But that's okay. It's a work truck. It'll do the job. Oh boy. Y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.